Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Microbial World. Today's topic is probiotics and prebiotics. They are the key players in gut health and microbiota balance. Both are essential in maintaining a healthy digestive system, but they work in different ways. Probiotics are live microorganisms. When administered in adequate amounts, provide health benefits to the host. They are commonly known as good bacteria. So what are probiotics? These are tiny living bacteria that is good for our health. They are called as good bacteria because they keep our stomach and intestines healthy. Now, our body already has many bacteria inside, but sometimes we need more good ones to fight the bad bacteria. These are probiotics. They digest food properly, protects us from harmful germs, and thereby keeps our stomach happy and healthy. Probiotics mostly belong to Lactobacillus, Bifidobacterium, and certain yeast species, for example, Saccharomyces boulardii. Prebiotics are non-digestible food components that selectively stimulate the growth or activity of beneficial bacteria in the gut. Common types of prebiotics fiber include inulin, fructooligosaccharides, and galactooligosaccharides. So we could understand that prebiotics are special type of fiber that feeds the good bacteria in our gut. We said they are non-digestible food components, which means they are not digested by our body. But when they reach the intestines, the beneficial bacteria, that is the probiotics, will use them as food to grow and stay healthy. Now let us look into the mechanism of action of probiotics. Probiotics compete with pathogenic microbes for adhesion sites in gut mucosa. This is called as competitive exclusion. Now how do they do this? Probiotics stick to the wall of intestines and thereby they block the bad bacteria from attaching there. This prevents harmful bacteria from growing and causing infection. Probiotics also produce antibacterial substances, that is natural chemicals like bacteriocins, lactic acid. These chemicals will kill or stop the growth of bad bacteria. Probiotics is also responsible for modulating the immune system. They talk to our immune cells and help the immune system to fight harmful germs better. Probiotics strengthens the gut barrier. So they help to keep our gut lining strong and tight. This will prevent harmful substances and bacteria from entering the blood. They also balance the gut microbiota, which means they help to maintain a good balance between good and bad bacteria in the gut. So a healthy balance means there will be better digestion and protection from infections. Probiotics also produces beneficial substances like short-chain fatty acids, organic acids, vitamins, enzymes that will improve our gut health and inhibit harmful microbes. Now, in case of prebiotics, when you eat foods rich in prebiotic fibers, they are not digested or absorbed in the upper digestive tract. So they pass into the colon in an undigested form. In the colon, good bacteria like lactobacilli and bifidobacteria will use the prebiotics as food. These bacteria will ferment the prebiotics, which increases the growth and activity of these beneficial bacteria. The fermentation processes produce short-chain fatty acids like butyrate, acetate, and propionate. Short-chain fatty acids improve the gut health, reduce inflammation, and strengthens the gut barrier. Examples of probiotics food includes yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, miso, probiotics supplements such as capsules and powders. Examples of prebiotics food includes garlic, onions, bananas, asparagus, leeks, whole grains such as oats and barley. Health benefits of probiotics and prebiotics. As we already said, they improve the gut flora balance. They prevent and manage diarrhea, antibiotic associated or infectious. Now, this means probiotics will restore beneficial bacteria that is lost after an antibiotic use, and they block pathogens like Clostridium difficile, thereby reducing the diarrhea episodes. They also reduce inflammation in gut disorders like irritable bowel syndrome or inflammatory bowel disease. They also enhance immune system function. They do this by stimulating the immune cells like IgA production and regulating inflammatory cytokines. They may influence mental health via gut-brain axis. This means they produce short-chain fatty acids and neurotransmitters like serotonin precursors. This will positively affect our mood and reduce anxiety or depression. They also improve nutrient absorption, for example, calcium and magnesium. So this is all about prebiotics and probiotics. I hope that the video was useful for everyone. Thank you for watching.